Hello guys, now let us discuss question 17. The question is, given that the standard potential E naught of the Cu plus slash Cu and Cu plus slash Cu are 0.34 volt and 0.522 volt respectively, the E naught of Cu plus and slash Cu 2 plus slash Cu plus is, the options are given 0.158 volt, B is minus 0.158 volt, C is 0.182 volt, and D is minus 0.182 volt. So here the correct option is option A, positive of 0.158. And now let us find how the option A is correct. So we are given Cu2 plus slash Cu E naught is 0.340 volt, and for Cu slash Cu plus it's 0.522 volt. So here the reaction for it, and we have to find for Cu2 plus slash Cu plus what's the E naught. So applying the delta G is equal to minus N F E naught, we get minus 1 into F into E naught is equal to minus 2 into F into 0.340 plus minus 1 into F into minus 0.522 volt. So it's here because we are taking minus 2 because there is 2 electrons here, and we are taking minus 1 because there is only 1 electron here. By solving this, we get E naught is equal to 0.158 volt. Hence the option A is correct. Thank you. Hope you understood.